Hello everyone, it's Adam from PC Clear Computers and Games. Got another unboxing video that we're going to do tonight for you. And this time we're going to unbox... I got these shipped to me a little while ago and I've been wanting to do a video on these ever since, but it's going to be Robotech Defenders Talos. Now, some of you Battletech fans will recognize this as the Wolverine. We won't get into the whole unseen debate, but that is one cool looking miniature. The human is right down here. It says its scale is 1/48, which I do believe. The height of this model when it's finished will be 9 3/4 inches tall. And I do believe there were some misprints as far as the scale on some of these. But not just this one, but just models in general. But I think that this is the correct scale, and I'll show you why when I open it up here. Let's open this guy up. I'm going to show you the size of the box here. The size of the box come with the obligatory advertisements for other models. Garten. I got that one in recently too. I'll do an unboxing of this one next. And then that is the finished product. The box did have some damage, but it's from the 80s. I mean, what do you expect? Go. Pretty cool stuff. Here we have the standard instruction sheet. So we have, how many sprues are we going to have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sprues of plastic. And it's in 31 steps, including the paint scheme and decals and stuff like that. So pretty neat stuff. The thing I really enjoyed about these models is that you can actually move the arms and legs and stuff like that. They're kind of articulated, but not like action figure type articulated. And it just gives you step-by-step instructions and everything like that. And that's really cool. And there's the color code right there. You can see that in there. You got like matte olive, forest green, black, matte olive brown, brown, chromite green, flush silver, and matte medium gray. Well, there you go. What can I tell you? And a fourth age. This is a very, very well, this model's aged very well, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Here comes the obligatory advertisement. You know, look what else you can get, guys. You know, I got that one, I got that one, I got that one, I got that one, I got that one. I just need these two up here left. The one that's the Battle Master in Battletech, and that one, I don't know what the heck that, I don't think there is a Battletech equivalent of that guy. I may be wrong, but he's not in any technical readout that I've ever seen. And then you have the little sets. I have the robot recovery vehicle. I will do an unboxing of that too. That's actually pretty cool. And then you turn it over and you have the Robotech changers, the ones that transform, because this was the 80s. And transformers were really, really big at the time. So everything had to transform. It was just crazy. And then finally we have the Robotech Factory, which I have the Robotech Factory still in the box. It's not shrink wrapped, but it's still in the box. Everything's still on the sprues. And that is a beautiful set. Maybe if I get up to 500-600 subscribers by the end of the year, I'll do an unboxing of the factory and show you what it's like. It's really neat. It gives you 2 mechas, it gives you a Warhammer and a Crusader. It is a 1/100 scale model. So, and the mechs are, of course, 1/100 scale as well. They couldn't make it like 1/72 or anything like that because it would just be too dang huge. So, that's the obligatory advertisements in there. The first set of sprues I'm going to pull out. Look at those decals. For being back in 1984, 85, something like that. That is just beautiful. 35 years old, and there's not a mark on those decals. and it's just beautiful. We have the sprue that has all the joints for the articulation and things like that. Everything right there. I almost don't want to touch the decals because I don't want anything to happen to them. But you got the pilot right there, standing up. The pilot sitting in the cockpit. That type of thing. The feet. The bottom of the feet and everything like that. That is just too cool. Too cool. Too cool. I can't wait to put some of these together and do a video on how they look when they're together. Then we have the red, that's the body and the torso and things of that nature. Now this is what makes me tend to think that the scale is legit 1/48. And that's the size of the hands. If you see the size of the hands there, it looks like it's 1/48. You know what they say about a mech with big hands, right? So there's the missile launcher, the SRM-6 missile launcher, if you're into Battletech terms, which I am. I've been playing Battletech since the very, very late 80s, very, very early 90s. Is when I started playing. A really fun game that's evolved over the years. Really, really, really cool, and everything's still on the sprue, and the sprues look great. What's the date on this kit here? Try to put everything back real careful because I definitely do not want to damage that decal sheet. That is just a beautiful decal sheet. What's the date on this guy here? Let's see. What do we got here? We got does it even tell us? Usually it tells you what the date is on these crazy. Yep, copyright 1984 by Revell Incorporated. 84. That's 36 years old. Wow, that is just a piece of history right there. Like I said, I got a few other ones that I'm going to be doing an unboxing of, which is just, it's going to be great. I mean, just look at that scene there. You know, if that doesn't inspire you, then, you know, something's wrong. But, yeah, so that's Talos, or Talos. I'm just going to call it the Wolverine because it's Battletech and it's cool. And it looks like it rocks. Alright guys, hope you had fun watching the video. And I'll see you later. Thank you.